Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from Dooney Bourke. Many of you probably familiar with this packing tip. So I bought this during their holiday sales. I didn't get it when they did the double promo code sales, but it's still in pretty good price. It is something in Florentine leather, and I have been wanting to try that, so we'll see how I like this one. Receipt. Pretty big size. Let me put away this box. Could you tell what this is? This is the Dooney Bourke Florentine Extra Large Courtney Sac. The name is a little bit odd, but let's see how is the back. By the way, if my voice sounded a little bit odd because I have seasonal allergy hit, so this is 71 out of 100. This color is supposed to be their brown tomorrow color. It looks almost black to me. Even the website, on the website, the product image look kind of gray, deep gray, dark gray, blackish, but this one does look like a very deep wine brown. Let's remove the, maybe a little bit challenging to remove the straps. Let's take the stuffing out. So the bag does came with a dust bag. Inside of the bag, it has this red interior with this green suede leather near the top. It doesn't have a zipper closure, just the green top and the magnetic closure here. I have to say the magnet on this bag almost non-existent. Not sure you can tell. Like, I don't think they really attract to each other. Anyway, let's look at the leather. The logo up front. No pocket outside. Leather is beautiful though. Evenly pebbling. So I didn't intend to buy this bag to use as a shoulder bag. As you can see, the strap is just come with this short shoulder strap. Since this is this lost cut removable, so I thought I would use a crossbody strap on it. So let's try this with this crossbody strap. The color doesn't match up fully, but I think it would work. I do love this Florentine leather. Its color is beautiful and it has some weight to it. So I heard the leather came from Italy, so but I'm sure this this bag is made in China or something. Inside the bag, it does have a slip pocket on one side, and then 2 more on the other side. The back side also has a zipper pocket. For testing the size, this is my iPad Pro 12.9, so it could fit in easily. Overall, I do like the look of it, but not sure about the magnet part. It just pretty much they just don't love each other, I guess. Yeah, I don't know. I think they probably have this in their warehouse for a very long time now. That's why sometimes the magnets kind of not working anymore, because usually magnetic closure lose its magnetic field after a long time. That's why sometimes I try to avoid buying bags with magnetic closure. Should I keep this? I do like it though. I have to think about it. Here is today's quick unboxing that I plan to convert it into a crossbody tote. Let me know what you think. Thanks again, and I'll talk to you again soon when I feel better with my allergies. Bye.